Planning a trip to Singapore and unsure what to pack? The process of determining what to put in your suitcase can seem overwhelming, especially when you're destined for a place as vibrant and distinctive as Singapore. This small but bustling metropolis is a unique blend of cultures, offering a cosmopolitan vibe, rich cultural history, and a climate that can be both humid and tropical. This might leave you scratching your head about what to pack. So allow us to guide you through a detailed checklist designed specifically for a Singapore adventure. Beginning with attire, Singapore's geographical location, just a whisper north of the equator, means it experiences a tropical climate throughout the year. It's common to experience temperatures in the mid-80s degrees Fahrenheit and high humidity levels. Therefore, your suitcase should be filled with lightweight, breathable fabrics like cotton and linen, perfect for such conditions. Consider packing ample shorts and t-shirts for your daytime tours around this mesmerizing city. Comfortable footwear is also essential, as you're likely to do a lot of walking exploring the city's sights. However, Singapore is also notorious for its sudden rain showers, so be sure to pack an umbrella or a lightweight raincoat to keep you dry during these unpredictable downpours. You'll find this indispensable when caught in an unexpected rain shower while exploring the city's many attractions. But remember, the city is also known for its sudden showers, so an umbrella or a lightweight rain jacket is a must. Singapore is also a bustling city with a vibrant nightlife. A city that comes alive when the sun dips below the horizon, boasting an atmosphere that is both electric and inviting. From trendy rooftop bars with panoramic views of the city's skyline, to quaint pubs tucked away in historic alleyways, there is a spot for every taste. The streets twinkle under the neon lights of the myriad establishments calling out to locals and tourists alike. Music wafting from various corners, a mix of lively tunes and soulful serenades fill the air, adding to the unique charm of the city after dark. You can find an array of fine dining restaurants serving world-class cuisines, street food stalls offering local delicacies, or even quiet cafes for a relaxing evening. The nightlife here caters to all, whether you're seeking adventurous night out or a peaceful evening. While planning your night out, keep in mind that Singaporeans appreciate a well-dressed crowd. A smart casual dress code is the norm for most places, so don't forget to pack a few fashionable outfits that would be perfect for those evenings. A stylish dress or a smart shirt paired with denims would be just right. However, gentlemen, no flip-flops please. And ladies, while high heels might seem like the perfect accompaniment to your chic outfit, remember, exploring the city at night on foot might make you reconsider. The city is full of walkways, bridges, and uneven pavements that add to its architectural diversity. Walking these streets is indeed a pleasure, with the cool night breeze and the city's lights reflecting off the water bodies. But these paths might also pose a challenge if you're wearing uncomfortable footwear. And ladies, while heels might be tempting, the city's many walkways and uneven pavements might give you second thoughts. Opt for stylish yet comfortable footwear. Next, consider the multicultural aspect of Singapore. This compact city-state, nestled in the heart of Southeast Asia, is a vibrant, harmonious blend of different ethnicities, traditions, and religions. Its rich cultural tapestry is a testament to its historical roots as a strategic trading post and receptiveness to global influences. Known as a melting pot of cultures, it's where Chinese, Malays, Indians, and Eurasians coexist peacefully, their lives intertwined through centuries of cohabitation, each culture contributing to the unique Singaporean identity. As you walk the bustling streets, you'll encounter a plethora of languages spoken, a testament to diversity. The architecture, too, tells a story of cultural amalgamation, from colonial-era buildings to sleek modern skyscrapers, reflecting the nation's journey from a fishing village to a thriving metropolis. The cuisine, as diverse as the population, offers a gastronomic journey that unites all the flavors of Asia in one place. Respect for all these cultural intricacies is paramount in Singapore. Harmony is not just a social ideal, it's way of life, deeply ingrained in every Singaporean. As you navigate through the multitude of religious sites, majestic mosques, ornate Hindu temples, serene Buddhist pagodas, and grand churches, you'll find that they all coexist harmoniously, each respected for its spiritual significance. If you're planning to visit any of these religious sites, remember to pack modest attire. For women, A scarf or shawl can be handy to cover shoulders or heads when required. Now, onto travel documents. This is an essential aspect of your travel preparations, and one that requires attention to detail. Always ensure that you carry your passport with you at all times. It may seem like an obvious thing to say, but it's easy to forget in the rush of packing. Your passport is your ticket to travel, and if you lose it, you could find yourself stranded in a foreign country. Your flight tickets are equally important. They serve as proof of your journey and are needed at various points throughout your travel experience. Having a hard copy of these tickets can be incredibly useful, especially if you run into any technological issues along. Next thing you must keep with you are your accommodation details. This includes the address of where you'll be staying, contact information, and any other relevant details. Having this information readily available can save you from a lot of stress, especially if you're visiting a country where the local language isn't English. Now, let's about other relevant documentation. These can include things like travel insurance papers, visas if required, or any other pertinent papers that might be relevant to your journey. It's always advisable to have photocopies of these documents, just in case you lose the original ones or need additional copies. Let's shift our focus now to the technology that can make your travels easier. Navigating the city is a breeze with the right gadgets. A smartphone loaded with navigation applications can be your best friend in a foreign. This powerful tool can help you find your way around, discover local attractions, and even translate foreign languages. Don't underestimate the importance of carrying your chargers with you. Your devices are only as good as their battery life. In the event of a long journey, having a charger on hand could be the difference between having access to your itinerary or being left in the dark. And considering Singapore's Type G plug sockets, you may need an adapter. Health and safety items are also crucial. As you plan your travels to the beautiful city-state of Singapore, situated almost on the equator, you must consider the effects of its tropical climate. The harsh sunlight, combined with the city's high humidity levels, take a toll on your skin's health. You would feel the heat beating down during the day and the humidity wrapping around you like a warm blanket. It's a combination that can raise your body temperature, increase sweat production, and invite harmful ultraviolet radiation. Therefore, it becomes vital to pack a good sunscreen in your luggage, but not just any sunscreen, one with a high sun protection factor, or SPF. The higher the SPF, the more protection you have against the harsh UV rays. An SPF of 30 or above should do the trick. It acts as your first line of defense against sunburns, skin damage, and even potential skin cancers. A good broad-spectrum sunscreen would shield you from both UVA and UVB, the best protection. Applied generously and frequently, it would ensure your skin stays safe and healthy, even as you explore the city's stunning sights. However, the sun isn't your only challenge. In Singapore, mosquitoes can also cause a nuisance or even health risks. Therefore, mosquito repellent becomes another must-have item. It becomes even more crucial when you plan on visiting the city's beautiful parks and outdoor attractions. These places, while stunning, are often buzzing with these tiny pests. Hence, packing a reliable mosquito repellent can help you enjoy your experience without the constant worry of bites and possible diseases they might carry. Mosquito repellent is another must-have, especially if you plan on visiting the city's beautiful parks and outdoor attractions. Lastly, always pack a reusable water bottle. This small item, often overlooked, can play a significant role in your travel experience. It's not just about avoiding thirst, it's about maintaining your body's balance in the face of a different climate. You see, Singapore, the Lion City, is renowned for its tropical weather. It is a place where the sun shines brightly throughout the year, and the air is heavy with humidity. For those not accustomed to this type of climate, the impact can be more noticeable, often leading to faster dehydration. The human body is about 60% water, and when we lose even a fraction of that, we can begin to feel sluggish, experience headaches, or even become seriously ill. That's why hydration is so important. Reusable water bottles are not only practical, but also an environmentally conscious choice. Just consider the positive impact you'd be making. In a world where single-use plastic is causing enormous damage to our oceans and wildlife, every small effort counts. By using a reusable bottle, you'd be reducing the amount of plastic waste you personally contribute to, and that's no small feat. Additionally, Singapore is renowned for its clean and safe tap water. So, refilling your bottle is not only convenient, but also completely safe. And let's be honest, it's also a more cost-effective option. Instead of buying multiple single-use plastic bottles throughout the day, you can simply refill and go. In essence, a reusable water bottle is a traveler's best friend in Singapore. It's efficient, cost-effective, environmentally friendly, and a lifesaver in the tropical heat. Staying hydrated in Singapore's humid climate is vital, and it's also a great way to reduce plastic waste. So, to summarize, when packing for Singapore, keep in mind the city's exotic tropical climate, the diverse multicultural environment, and the urban sophistication that blankets every corner. The city-state experiences a warm, humid climate year-round, with temperatures rarely dropping below 25 degrees Celsius, even at night. Hence, it is advisable to pack lightweight, breathable clothing that can help you stay comfortable in such weather. Think materials like cotton or linen that don't cling to your body, allow your skin to breathe. Singapore is also known for its sudden rain showers, which can happen even on the sunniest days. Therefore, packing an umbrella or a light rain jacket is highly recommended to help you stay dry. Also, despite its modern skyline, Singapore thrives on its multicultural roots. Hence, it is important to pack some modest attire for visiting religious sites and respecting the local culture. As the city's nightlife is vibrant and diverse, packing smart casual outfits for the evenings will keep you prepared for any impromptu plans. Singapore is a city that never sleeps, so who knows when you might land up at a fancy dinner or a rooftop bar. Don't overlook packing essential travel documents and high-tech gadgets, but remember that Singapore has strict rules and hefty fines for littering. To avoid this, carry a reusable water bottle. Moreover, Singapore's geographical location near the equator also means the sun can harsh, making a good sunscreen and mosquito repellent essential for your health and comfort. All said, a well-thought-out packing list can make your trip more enjoyable and less stressful. Happy packing and enjoy your trip to the beautiful city-state of Singapore. We hope you found this guide helpful in planning your trip to Singapore. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up to show your support. We're always working on more travel tips and guides to help you navigate your way around the globe. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated. Remember, packing appropriately can be the first step towards an unforgettable journey. So, whether you're heading to the urban jungle of Singapore or planning another adventure, we're here to help you prepare. Leave us a comment below with your travel queries, or tell us about your own packing tips. We're here to help our viewers. Those are my bubbles, mine. On that note, we'll wrap up today's video. Happy packing, safe travels, and we'll see you in our next video.